Best business travel hotel, best breakfast with wide variety and many extras. Very clean with everything under one roof. Aha, good value for money. Exceptional. Great hotel, very good value for money including breakfast. We were initially nervous when approaching the hotel due to the location and poor condition of roads leading to the hotel, but once we entered we were pleasantly surprised, smiley face. Would definitely stay there again. Facilities and improvement could be done to the facilities like better Wi-Fi connection, DSTV channels, gym. Excellent, the service was excellent. Thank to Impo, to Miss Ang and Pam, you guys rock. Breakfast was delicious. We were supposed to stay for one night but we extended for another night. No fuss hotel, everything good, friendly staff, clean rooms and very good breakfast with wide variety. Book early to avoid disappointment. Travel to North and Cape had a good stay all round, will recommend to friends. Pricing inconsistency. The online price and tax invoice are completely different. Very good, very neat and staff was always friendly. Will definitely make use of them again. New and clean. Nice clean hotel. Business and overnight accommodation. COVID breakfast was great. Lots of food and very fresh. Very good, the staff is friendly and eager to help. Bathroom supplies were not replenished after first night.